Imagine standing next to the sun. You'd expect an incredible roar, right? A sound so powerful it could shatter everything nearby. But strangely, you wouldn't hear a thing. How can the sun, a massive, boiling ball of plasma, produce sounds, and yet we remain completely deaf to them? Today, we're diving into the mysterious sounds of our sun and why, even though it's constantly singing, we can't hear its cosmic symphony. The sun is far from silent. Its surface constantly vibrates, creating waves that ripple through its layers. Scientists call these solar oscillations. They're caused by the turbulent motion of plasma, the superheated gas that makes up the sun. These waves are similar to sound waves here on Earth. On our planet, sound is a vibration traveling through air. On the sun, sound waves travel through plasma. The sun's surface pulses, shrinks, and expands rhythmically, almost like a massive, glowing heartbeat. But unlike a drum or a speaker, the sun's vibrations are far too slow for our ears to detect. Some of these waves have frequencies of just a few millihertz, meaning a single oscillation could take minutes to complete. Our ears, designed for the 20 Hz to 20 kHz range, are completely blind to these slow cosmic rhythms.